Here we are in the Maiden Voyage. Love of my life up front. Whoa! Not sure if you can see it out there, but that little bump in the water is an alligator. We're out here on Lake Howell. It's up behind our house. We got fish jumping. We've seen a bunch of birds, some beautiful birds, gator, turtles on our maiden voyage on the Miss Jerry. There you can see he's come up out of the water a little bit more. He's pretty good size. He's probably 6 feet at least.
Yeah.
There they are hitting all over whatever they're